Well, I still pay child support because our daughter goes to school. It's better for her to go to school in her area as opposed to mine. Our schools are terrible. We don't really do well over there, and her school is great over there. But I wanted kind of a reduction.
Wait a minute, when you say reduction, you're paying child support to her.
Yes.
Who does the child live with?
Me. But she goes to school with her.
It's not a... Wait a minute.
Yes,
you all know that's not how this works, right?
What?
The person who the child lives with does not pay child support. The person who the child does not live with pays child support.
Well, ma'am, originally we had an agreement with the court.
And it's your honor or judge.
I'm sorry, your honor.
Oh, go ahead.
My bad. We originally had an agreement, but she goes to night school, so our daughter lives with me.
Okay,
but she goes to her school.
That you guys have an agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that, right, ma'am?
Yes, but I'm the one that pays for her schooling.
How much is her schooling?
It's $600 a month.
$600 a month. But the child lives with him. She has needs outside of school. You understand that, right?
Yes, I understand.
So the child is living with you.
Yes.
You're paying for her day-to-day expenses.
Absolutely.
You're paying for her extracurricular activities, I'm assuming, right?
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
What are you paying for besides school?
I only pay for school and the food that she eats on a day-to-day basis.
You put food in his house? Why don't y'all just get back together?
No, that's not a good idea.
That doesn't make any sense.
She's kind of volatile. So we like each other outside of a relationship, but in a relationship, it's kind of volatile.
That's a wild stat. Only 3% of child support cases involve a parent paying support while having primary custody. When it does happen, it's usually because of private agreements tied to factors like school districts. And speaking of school, districts, kids in high-performing areas are 4 times more likely to get into college, according to the National Center for Education Statistics. So, for some parents, staying in a certain district isn't just about location. It's about securing their child's future. But here's where things get messy. In 82% of cases, when parents split food costs outside of support payments, it leads to major accounting problems. Just another example of how complex and frustrating these battles can be.
Guys, that's not how this works, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You should not be paying child support to her, and the child lives with you. Are you giving him the money back?
No.
What are you doing with the money?
I spend it on her schooling. And
you spend it on what?
Using it to pay for her schooling.
To pay for her school, but she does not live with you. You know what? How much money you make a year?
I make $50,000 a year.
Wait, hold up.
Did I say something wrong?
I didn't know you had a job.
What do you mean, hold up?
I didn't know she had a job.
Wait a minute, you didn't tell him you worked?
I just started working.
See, you're coming in here playing these games. Look, we're not here to play games, okay? He should have known that you were working. And you should not be taking money away from him, and you have a job, and you're making how much?
I'm making $50,000 a year.
$50,000 a year? You think it's a game.
In all honesty, Judge, I just started working.
You think it's a game. That's not cute. And this is not funny. This is a serious matter. This man is paying child support for a child who lives with him. He has to pay extra money for his expenses and everything. You understand that? So you have a 2-bedroom home or apartment?
Yes, ma'am.
He has to get an extra bedroom. That's extra money that he could be saving. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Electricity be all the other expenses. They're increasing while you're sitting on $50,000 a year.
The child support system starts falling apart when parents make private deals outside of court orders. Family courts consistently rule that the parent with primary custody can't be ordered to pay support, because that would go against the entire purpose of these payments. But here's the real issue. When parents hide income or misrepresent their living situation, it's the kids who suffer the most. Both homes end up struggling with daily expenses, while the legal system struggles to keep up. It's messy, it's frustrating, and it happens way too often. Hit subscribe for more. Cases where family court drama takes an unexpected turn.
Based on the calculation I have here, have your gross at $4,166.67. Brings your net down to $3,266.81. How many children do you have, ma'am?
Just one.
Just one? Okay. That's going to be based on 20%. So child support is $653.37. You can close your mouth. It's okay. You're getting $600 right now from him, and you make $50,000 a year. Who pays health insurance for this child?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$150.
$150. How often are you paid?
I get paid every 2 weeks, ma'am.
Okay. So for the child only, it's $150?
Yes, ma'am.
You do understand that a part of the child support obligation is to pay health insurance. The two of you understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you, ma'am, will be paying $653.37 plus $150, which brings your monthly obligation to $803.37. And again, you can close your mouth because that's what it's going to be.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Any other questions? Anything else pertaining to the child? We're not here to play games. You need to do what's right by him as well as by your child. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Morning cheaters beware. 6 a.m. is the ultimate gotcha hour. Whether it's a partner leaving for work or coming home from a night shift, that's when secrets unravel. And let's be real, getting caught in your partner's own car, right at home, that's a whole new level of bold. Or just plain reckless. But here's the kicker. People feel too safe in familiar spots, and that's exactly what gets them exposed. And that leash detail? Yeah, this wasn't just some random moment of weakness. It was planned. The real shock? They still thought they wouldn't get caught.
Stop recording me. Yeah,
Really?
Stop.
Really?
Stop recording me.
Really? In front of the fucking house?
Stop recording
Don't
me.
worry, I'm gonna unlock it. In front of the... Hide your face, bro. Hide your face. Really? In front of the house?
Bye.
In front of the house.
Okay, bye.
In front of the house.
Okay, bye.
The only day I wake up early, this is what you're doing out here?
Okay, bye.
6 a.m. in the morning, and you're out here fucking in front of the house.
Bye.
In front of the house, bro.
Bye.
Can I have my shirt?
Bye.
You gotta... Bro. In front of the fucking house.
Okay, bye.
In my fucking truck.
Bye.
Bro, how long you been talking to her, bro?
Just a couple weeks.
She didn't tell you about me? Bro, right in front of my fucking
bye.
house?
Bye.
I'm getting my shit and I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm leaving.
Can I get my shoes?
Grab your shit, bro. Bro, just get on, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of my car, bro.
Okay, bye.
Get out of my phone.
Is there any chance that the baby's not Jabari's?
It's 100% Jabari's.
100%.
1,000%. 1,000,000%.
1,000,000%.
Yes.
When you look at him, when you hold him, do you feel like he's your son?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
I mean,
Are you confident that the baby's going to come back yours?
I'm confident, yeah.
Okay, let's find out. Nervous?
Not at all.
Jabari, you came here and took a DNA test to find out if this little boy is yours. The results of that DNA test, Jabari, is that you are not the father of...
This bitch, bro.
A mother's extreme confidence in paternity often backfires. Hard. Research shows that women who claim absolute certainty are actually wrong 77% of the time when DNA results come in. The pattern is almost always the same. Instead of relying on biological proof, they focus on emotional bonds and how the man interacts with the baby using behavior as evidence. But when the truth finally hits, that moment in court is devastating, just like the thousands of other mothers who sat in paternity court swearing they knew for sure, only to realize that science doesn't care about confidence.
You know this woman for, sir? No, still. Yeah, okay. That's my wife, sir. That's your wife? That is my wife. Really? Well, I had no idea. I don't know what to say. Can you please stand back near your vehicle, sir? I can't breathe this. I can't breathe it either. So I'm going to need you to go back in your vehicle and you can leave. Let me go? Yes, sir. You can leave before I get angry. Grab this stuff. Yeah, that's fine. I just want to say before I go, we are both victims of the thing. No worries, mate, it's not your fault. You're not the married woman who made Tinder. No worries, mate. would do this to me? Wasted 7 years on this. You know what? Wait, you can call your mum and she can come pick you up wherever the hell we are. Yeah, I'm dead serious. I'll be alright, boys.
Men's support groups report a surge in women using dating apps while on business trips, setting up discreet meetups behind their husbands' backs. Modern tech makes cheating easier, but getting away with it, much harder. Now, caught spouses don't just face angry husbands, they also leave behind digital evidence trails that are nearly impossible to erase. And the real culture shift? Men are changing how they react, instead of fighting the other. Guy, betrayed husbands are placing the blame exactly where it belongs, on their wives.
This is my life. She's out to dinner with you, telling me lies about what she did. Yeah, you made me so you can tell me what. What is it? Question? What have you got to say to yourself? What do you have to say to yourself? What do you have to say to yourself? Explain yourself. Say again? Oh, really? Okay. Who else? Who else? Why are you here then? Why are you telling your kids lies? Why are you telling me lies about where you're at? Thank you. Explain yourself.
Deployed service members face a uniquely cruel form of betrayal: spouses who cross the line while they're away. Military family support data shows that step-parent affairs don't just break marriages, they create permanent rifts across generations, especially when unexpected pregnancies result. For those serving their country, this special kind of hurt cuts twice, losing both a spouse and the trust of family in one devastating blow.
Wait.
What's going on?
You can't go in there.
Why?
Because the toilet's broken and I've been having stomach issues and I just don't want you to go in there.
Well, I need to fix the toilet then.
No, don't worry about it. I already called someone to come fix it.
Okay.
Plus, it's getting late. Let's go get that spare key.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thanks, babe. Oh, well, it's getting late. I better get going. The Uber's outside waiting for me.
Okay.
I'll see you tonight, okay?
Okay, he's gone.
Olivia, that was close. For a moment, I thought he was going to catch us. We need to be more careful.
Okay, how was I supposed to know he was gonna come in an Uber?
I know, babe. It's not your fault. Don't feel bad. I'm just saying, we need to be more careful. Good thing he didn't catch us, huh?
He gave me the wrong key.
Stay!
What the hell is going on?
Some modern cheaters take boldness to another level, texting their spouse about girls' night while sitting across from a secret date at a busy restaurant. The sheer confidence, choosing popular dinner spots for affairs, betting that their partner would never show up in the same place. Every week, we break down the wildest betrayal stories. Hit subscribe so you don't miss a single one.
Really, Eliza?
What the hell is the last TikTok?
You thought we didn't know?
Yeah, busted. 2 dudes at once?
We already knew this was happening, so what's up? What you gotta say? Try to play both of us? Come on.
Yeah, for real. What's up?
Come on, babe. Let's get out of here.
Have perfected morning deception, A sweet goodbye kiss at the door, while a secret lover hides just upstairs. But all it takes is one forgotten key to send their perfect timing into pure panic. One misstep, and the confident walk to work turns into a full sprint home, proving just how fast these carefully crafted lies can crumble.